Hello, today I want to show you this outdoor camping light. I want to say a few things about the light and then we'll go outside. It's dark right now, so I can show you how it performs when it's dark. One thing you need to know is that it's rechargeable light, so it comes with a USB-C cable. Also, one thing I like about the light is this metal hook. You can hang it inside your tent or under the canopy or in your garage or anywhere you need overhead light. Also, it has this one, it's the magnetic base, so you can attach it to any metal surface like your car, a toolbox or any metal pole. That's really convenient when you need hands-free lighting. The light has multiple lighting modes. I'll show you right now. You can turn it on from here. You just need to press it and hold for a few seconds. That's the brightest. And if the battery is fully charged and the light is on the brightest mode, the battery can last up to 8 hours. This is the next mode. And the battery can last up to 24 hours in this mode. That's the next one. And that's like a flashing. Those are the 4 modes. I will turn it off now and we can go outside so I can show you how it performs at night. Our outdoor table has those steel frames. Now I will show you how strong is the magnetic. Let me turn on the light first. You see how easy it is to attach? And now I will use the hook to hang it here. I think this light is great for fishing trip, when you go camping or just for outdoor gathering.